Dear students, this is the first sum in the measures of distribution. First average is arithmetic mean. This is the sum is cumulative frequency methods. Cumulative frequency methods means either less than or more than. This is the sum more than. Class interval. In this cumulative frequency method, we have to rewrite the class interval and also separate the frequency. That frequency is cumulative frequency. That frequency is separated for each class. Class interval is more than 75. That means more above 75. 75 to 85. This is the difference between item to item 10. All these are lower limits. We are going to find upper limits. This is the difference. Item to item difference is 10. 75 plus 10, 85. 85 plus 10, 95. 95 to 105. 105 to 115. 115 to 125. 125 to 135. 135 to 145, 145 to 155. Here is the frequency. Frequency is cumulative frequency. This frequency is separated for each class. 214 minus 212, 212 minus 190, 189, 23, 189 minus 140, 49, 140 minus 77, 63. Is it right?
Yes.
73 minus 32, 45. Right?
40.
40?
45.
28, 3, 4. Last one is as it is 4. Okay, n is equal 5, 14, 17, 22, 30. This is wrong. 214 minus 212, 2. 212 minus 189. See once this is 23.
Yes, sir.
189 minus 140.
49.
49. 149 minus 77.
72.
140. Sorry, 140 minus 77.
63, sir.
63. 77 minus 32.
45.
45. 32 minus 7.
25.
25.
5.
Yes. This is 25. 3, 4 last one. 5, 14, 17, 27, 30, 34. 5, 9, 15, 19, 21. 240.
Yes, sir.
This is the class interval and this is the frequency. In this arithmetic mean, first step is take mid values from class interval. Take mid values from class interval. Mid values are 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Mid values means lower level plus upper level by 2. Lower level plus upper level by 2. Take one of the item is x dash 100. Take one of the item is x dash, that is 100. Dx x dash means assumed mean. Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10,
30.
20, 30, 40, 50. Here is a possibility to take step deviations. Step deviation is capital Dx. Step deviation means common factor. Common factor, which item is divided commonly in these deviations, that is called step deviation. -2, -1, all the items divided by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F into capital Dx. F into capital Dx. 2 into -2, -4. 23 into -1, -23. 49 into 0, 0. 63 into 1, 63. 45 into 2, 90. 25 into 3, 75. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 5, 20. 3 plus 8, 10. 10. 3, 4, 11, 20. 260 plus items, minus items 27. 13. 10 minus 7, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 2, 33. Is it right? Okay. X bar is equal. What is the formula to find out arithmetic mean? X bar is equal sigma f capital Dx by n into I. X bar is equal x dash plus sigma f capital Dx by n into I. X dash is equal 100 plus 233 by n is 214 into 10. Is it visible?
Yes.
X bar is equal 100 plus 2330 by 214. See what is the answer? X bar is equal 100 plus 2330 by 214. 10.8877 and 7 means 89. 887 means round of value 89. X bar is equal 110.89. This is the answer. Do like this.